What's the topic? Because I got right now and I'm preparing my breakfast for my family, you know.
Do you
Oh,
want to tell us what you are cooking?
okay. It's rice and soup and some vegetables. Yeah, this is for breakfast. Yeah, very simple. And yeah, today is Children's Day in China. I have a son. Yeah. And last
How old
night
is he?
he invited his friend to stay in my home.
How old is he?
He's 10 years old.
Does he speak English?
No, he can't. He can't. He don't like learning English.
Do you talk to him in English?
No, we talk in Chinese. But when he was very young, we lived in Japan. At that time, he can speak Japanese very fluently. But when we came back to China, he never speak Japanese. So I think he forgot.
Why is your English so good?
Me? Do you think so? Oh, I'm so glad. But I am just a beginner, I think. I only speak a
And
little English.
which province are you from?
From Jilin province. It is located in northeast of China.
You are next to Liaoning province, right?
Oh yes, we are neighbor. Yeah, you got it. Because my hometown is Liaoning, but I am living in Jilin province now.
Gotcha.